Hi Libra! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today Libra, gagawin natin ang inyong general reading for the month of December 2025. This is just a general reading. So we're almost, actually we're not just almost, nasa end of the year na tayo. Okay, so happy December guys. Happy festive season. So tingnan lang natin kung ano ba yung mga possible situations or maaari niyong asahan for the month of December, Libra. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. And also, this is just a general reading. So, gusto ko lang din sabihin. So, maaari siya mag-resonate, maaari hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. So, take nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate and leave the rest. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future, okay? Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead, Libra. So, ano po ba mga possible situations na maaaring ma-encounter ni Libra around December 2025? You've got here impact, problems to be resolved. So, I think you've been through a difficult time in the recent past, Libra. So, meron daw mga problems na mare-resolve. May mga matatapos na ng mga ang conflict ako nakikita, no? Sa mga opportunities, wasted opportunities, missed opportunities, ganyan, na nawala sa'yo. Parang mga bagay na siguro nag-separate ways from you. That's what I'm seeing. Basta parang possible situations na may hindi pinag-agrihan, gano'n, siguro. You will finally settle it in December. Okay, ano pa? Libra for the month of December. So, 2 cards. Let's see. Got here 3. Affairs with your family. Okay, so some of you guys are... maybe you will have a talk or your family is significant for the month of December. Okay, so baka talk ito or mag-open up ng issue or mag-open up. Hindi ba pag-open up siguro about problem, but definitely your family has something to do with you around December. So they have an impact around December. You also have here wall, misunderstanding. So baka it's either sabay sila lumabas, so baka meron ka misunderstanding with your family, okay? Maaring, that's what I feel lang. Misunderstanding with a family, ganyan. Maaring things are like parang falling apart when it comes to your family. Or definitely parang, basta may misunderstanding either with your family or someone else, okay? And the next is Eagle, triumph over troubles or obstacles. So, ayun nga. So, maaaring ma-resolve naman yung problems nyo. Whatever misunderstanding that is that you have. Okay. What else you have here? 2 cards. Okay, I've got all 6 na. Okay, let's see. You have your December. So, yeah, definitely, no? December is significant kasi nga December itong reading na ito. Okay. And horse, short journey. So, meron ka sigurong either literal travel ito or meron kang mga bagay na gagawin na parang sandali lang, saglit lang, or mga pupuntahan na parang sandali ka lang doon. Maybe a vacation for some of you. Okay, let's move on to the tarot part. Let's go ahead. Okay, may nalaglag agad. So, you have here Hangman and the 2 of Cups. So, this could be about partnerships or a relationship or is na parang stuck or hindi umuusad yung isang relationship or isang partnership. Why? Okay. Someone could be pregnant, by the way, with the Empress card. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Specifically a Pisces. Like something has been parang na-stuck. Okay? Parang naputol or parang hindi nagtuloy-tuloy na sitwasyon, ganun, regarding relationships. specifically nakikita ko dito, relationship talaga, like a romantic relationship. Someone here could be tied down to another person or another like individual outside ng relationship. Okay? When I say tie down, parang nakaka-relate siya doon or related siya doon sa ibang tao instead na dito sa connection na ito. Okay? And we also have here the Empress card. Clarify niya ang Hangman. So these are major events in your life that possibly nai-impact ka talaga or naapektuhan ka talaga. Ganun. Okay? Okay. Maybe someone here chooses to grow with someone else. Yung parang with the Hangman, ayun nga, nakita ko na there is a significant person, maybe a Taurus or a Libra, okay, na na pinili, maaaring ikaw to, maaaring partner mo to, na mag-grow with that person instead sa karelasyon niya talaga. Kunwari, ikaw, mas pinili ng person mo na mag-grow with someone else instead of you. So, ngayon, nakapending yung relationship or hindi umuusad. Okay, parang ganun yung energy niya. Okay. Makita ko na naman tong parang mga kamatis na ito. Nakikita niyo yan because I did a reading, I don't know kung kanino. Kay Cancer ba yun? Parang sabi ko, kamatis na nahalo sa bulok na kamatis. Wherein, parang maybe, someone here, parang na-influencean lang ng negative ng ng tao. Okay, I'm feeling outside the circle eh. So, parang, na-influensyahan ng masama ng ibang tao, either ikaw or yung partner mo. Okay? Is what I see. Let's check something else. What other thing pa ang maaari nilang ma-expect for the month of December? Ano pa po ang maaari nila expect? So, what are the things pa? Have your King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Someone here is sad. Meron ditong malungkot. Okay. What is the King of Cups here? Ano tong King of Cups na ito? Four of Swords. I'm hearing parang naapektuhan na mentally ng mga kaganapan. Kasi may moon. So, moon talks about sadness, depression, deception as well. Sometimes, illusions. Page of Cups. Four of Swords. And the Judgment. And what else? Six of Swords. Parang sa nakikita ko dito, this could be your past person, Libra. This could be your recent person or past person na not feeling well, not feeling right. About your situation with them. Okay? Ay parang hindi sila makareklamo pero parang, or should I say, parang hindi sila makagalaw as expected sa relationship kasi possible na merong iba. Okay? Possible kasi na parang nahihirapan sila na it's like they're not really okay. I'm feeling that. They're not really okay. Okay? That maybe you two had either ended or separated, okay, and merong, nakita ko dito, meron ding may gumagawa possibly ng issue or kwento. Nakikita ko dito, Libra, na merong nananadya na paghiwalayin talaga kayo ng person mo. Okay, it could be an Aquarius kasi there's a star in between of two swords. So parang dating sa akin umiepal tong person na ito. Sorry for the term there, that's what I see. You also have your King of Wands. So, dalawang king ito. A King of Cups and the King of Wands. So, someone here has parang Naglaro. Okay, naglaro. Wait nga, para lang maayos. Separate ko lang ito. Wait ko na to dito. Meron dito naglaro, nag-explore. Parang tinignan niya kung ano pang options ang meron siya. But I think they're paying the price. Right now, I'm hearing they're paying the price. Okay. I'm hearing as well, Libra, kung ikaw to, hindi worth it yung, kung ikaw to naglolo ko, hindi worth it yung, yung ini-investan mong tao, kumpara dun sa partner mo siguro. I don't know, I'm picking up that energy. Or maring may nagtuturo na rin sa'yo na, uy, alam mo ba, yung person na yan, maling tao yan. Uy, alam mo ba, yung person na yan, bad influence yan. Uy, alam mo ba, yung person na yan, parang masama mapapala mo dyan. Parang may nag-warning na siguro sa'yo, Libra, about this. Okay? Yan, na wag mo ipagpatuloy. It's like the spread is talking about, wag mo nang ipagpatuloy ang ginagawa mo. Like, parang narinig ko dito, mahanap pa lang ng batong ipupukpok mo sa ulo mo. Okay? Some people, I'm seeing in their faces na parang they're not agreeing with you. Okay? Kung ikaw man to, Libra, take it as it resonates. Okay? Maaring meron dito, hindi niya talaga nakikita clearly kung ano ba yung nasa harapan niya. Yung parang hindi niya nakikita clearly kung I'm hearing someone is a fake, someone is genuine. So, hindi niya talaga nakikita na parang yung katotohanan ba sa sitwasyon ng kaharap niya ngayon. Okay, one last spread and we'll move on to career. Ano pa po ang kay Libra? Ano pa po ang kay Libra for general? There, Knight of Cups and the Emperor. Some of you are dealing with an Aries, by the way. This could be your person. Could be a Cancer too. I think whoever your partner is, yung talagang like someone in the connection just wants to be single from this. Okay, someone, I think ikaw to, Libra eh. I think ikaw to, na gustong mag-sorry. Gustong mag-sorry sa person mo. Because I'm feeling ito, energy to ni Libra. Or it could be vice versa. Just take it as it resonates na lang. So, parang naiisip mo na sigurong iwanan yung other option. And then, i-pursue yung gusto mong i-pursue na person related romantically with you, no? Kaso, yung person na yun, parang feeling ko naiinip na. Okay? Parang nabubugnot na siya sa sitwasyon nyo by December. Okay? And maybe naiisip na ng person na to na hindi, tama na. Okay? Isipin ko na lang yung sarili ko. Iisipin ko na lang kung ano makakabuti para sa sarili ko. Magsiseparate na ako kay Libra. Parang ganon. Ganon yung napipick up ko strongly. Okay? Okay, let's move on sa career. Kamusta naman ang career ni Libra for the month of... Okay, Magician card. Meron kami na manifest. Meron kang tinatry achieve. Okay, ay sorry, hindi nyo makita kasi sa glare. Ano yun? Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, stability in life. Stability. Some of you could be a single mom. Some of you could be very hardworking. Okay? Some of you gusto niyo ng stability when it comes to parang a corporation, a company. Maybe meron kayong mga kinakausap, pinag-a-applyan na company. Meron kayong minamanifest na talagang gusto nyo mangyari. Using all the resources na meron ka, like ina-exhaust mo talaga na gusto mo talaga siyang makuha. And parang sa nakikita ko dito, Libra, you really want, parang gusto mo talaga ng success in life. Okay? And maybe meron talagang either corporation, company, individual, a business partner na kinoconsult mo or ka-collaborate mo, okay, in creating this, whatever this is, or in creating your wishes, like making things happen. Okay? Ano pa ang for career? Then we'll move on with love. Ano pa ang with career ni Libra? Moon card. So there's really a period of like maybe some of you are traveling, like your job, your work requires you to para magbiyahe abroad or magbiyahe via airplane, via basta foreign travels, what I see, to fly out there somewhere, mga ganon. And sa nakikita ko dito, the situation mo sa career mo, yung situation mo sa career mo, para medyo nahihirapan kang i-achieve yung isang bagay. There's a conflict There's conflict. Queen of Cups. Okay? Parang inaano ka lang na mag-settle ka for what you for what you're getting. Parang nahihirapan ka about something na gusto mong i-achieve. Yeah, mabagal ang kilos ng lahat towards sa transformation na gusto mo. Para sa pagbabago, medyo mabagal. Medyo parang may gusto kang mangyari, may gusto kang forward movement na mangyari. However, parang hindi mo pa nakikita siguro yung breakthrough na hinahanap mo, Libra, when it comes to finances. Parang nakikita ko dito, you're trying naman. Some of you may leave a situation, okay, na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo, for your highest good. Okay? Something na nag-invest ka rin dito ng time and effort, pero nakikita ko iiwanan mo siya. Could be a possibility. Let's move on with love. Okay, for love, anong masasabi mo kay Libra? 2 spreads lang. 6 of Pentacles. So, this talks about parang receiving from somewhere. Parang may nakukuha ka sa isang tao habang yung isang tao walang napapala. Okay, so it's like giving to someone while the other person is not getting anything. You get what I mean? And someone here could be frustrated na, as you can see in his face. Very disappointed. Very frustrated as well. Okay? This could be you. This could be your person. Someone here gusto niya ng commitment talaga. Either ikaw to, or yung person na kakonect mo ito. Libra. Someone here I'm seeing wants to say sorry. However, parang nahihirapan siyang i-approach yung person. What else for love? Could be a Virgo as well that you're dealing with. Maybe may mafa-found out about, or may marirealize. Okay? May marirealize, may mafa-found out, may marirealize about something related to like flirting. Because the Knight of Wands is a flirt. Okay? It's not for the ano pa yan, bata-batang edad pa yan na nag-e-explore. Hindi pa siya pang settle down. Okay? So, maaring meron ditong ma-found out or matutuklasan about possible na flirtation. Especially, marirealize siguro ng isa sa inyo na, ay, para lang pala to sa na hindi good catch itong person na to kasi pang laro lang ito or parang pang explore lang ito, parang ganun. Nakikita ko, parang nagte-test the waters lang siya, or nag-enjoy lang siya, ganun. They're not, hindi sila pang pang long term, ganun. Hindi sila pang for the good, for the settling down. Maybe masaya kayo before ng partner mo, Libra, if you have a partner before. Okay, masaya naman ang lahat dati. Until possibly nagkaroon ng third party, kasi tatlo din tong tao dito sa loob eh. So, maaring may umextra, may pumasok na lang na other party sa eksena, no? Sitwasyon. Okay, and last spread. Libra. Ace of Pentacles, magkakaroon ng new beginning in love. May sisimulang bago. Could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Or something na parang pagdidesisyonan na uy, the Tower. Ano tong Tower? Ten of Pentacles and the Justice card. So parang meron kang bagay na sisimulan muli, Libra, or sisimulan related sa home setting. Could be with a Cancer or a Leo. Bagay na it will magsisimula siya as something na maliit lang, pero it has the potential to grow really sa something na pang forever, pang long term, ganyan. However, nakikita ko dito na there's already a gap, I think. Kasi kung ano man yung gagawin mo sa love life mo, Libra, it will require you parang pag-aralan ka pa yun ulit yung sitwasyon, ganun. However, parang Ten of Pentacles and the Justice. So, maybe magde-decide ka na i-balance yung isang situation with someone. Especially someone na maaaring nagkaroon ka ng long-term commitment na. Or someone na you can see having a family with. Or maaaring may family ka na talaga dito. However, nakikita ko dito, meron kang conflict. Magkaka-conflict ka about something na sisimulan mo. Yeah, it's like maybe hindi siya mag-move forward. Kasi maybe yung isa sa inyo hindi pa siya okay. Okay? Hindi pa siya ganun ka-okay as to come back, maybe if this is a reconciliation, or to have a new beginning. Okay? So, yun lang naman, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!